Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Mr. Dai and all of my friends. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rafil Hamedi Fadaulay with NPM 1906378980. And also in this presentation, I will present this presentation along with my friend Victor. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Victor Albert Jaden, NPM 1906379182.
Okay, the topic of this presentation is the journey of numerical method one class. Next. Okay, first thing first, at here we have a quote that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success. Maybe at sometimes we kinda get a failure at our task or maybe at our research, but we need to know that failure is a part of a success. So a lot of people who success must been have failure first. Next. Okay, there is an outline of for the presentation. First, there will be an introduction. Second, there will be a class review, and the third, there will be an impression and a testimonials of the class from me and Victor. Next. Okay, first, let's talk about introduction. First, the main thing of this lesson is a numerical method. What is numerical method? Numerical method is a mathematical tool designed to solve numerical problems. The implementation of a numerical method with appropriate convergence check in a programming language is called a numerical algorithm. Next, my friend will continue our presentation.
Okay, so next is CCIP Online or Continuous Consciousness in Taqwa. So this is social media developed by Mr. Dai and his team. This is like something that we have to post in our profile, like project progress or task and others. Next is class review. The first chapter is curve fitting. Curve fitting is the process of constructing a curve or mathematical function that has the best fit to a series of data points, possibly subject to constraints. Curve fitting can involve either interpolation, where an exact fit to the data is required, or smoothing, in which a smooth function is constructed that approximately fits the data. In Mr. Dai's class, we use CFDSoft as our main application for solving the curve fitting problem. Second chapter is linear algebraic function. Linear algebraic function is a system of equations that can be represented as a product of matrices or as an augmented matrix. There are two methods. First, direct methods. This calculates the solution after performing a finite series of computational operations, or direct counting, best for solving small field matrices. The example of these methods are Gauss elimination method and Gauss-Jordan method. The second is indirect methods. The indirect methods approaches the solution by improving initial guess until the error is negligible using iterative approximation. This best for solving large sparse matrices. The examples of these methods are Jacobi method and Gauss-Seidel method. And the third one is optimization, based on Merriam-Webster. Optimization is an act, process, or methodology of making something, such as a design system or decision, as fully perfect, functional, or effective as possible. Mathematically, the mathematical procedures involved in finding the maximum or a minimum of a function. Optimization is divided into one-dimensional optimization and multi-dimensional optimization. The third one is impression and testimonials by me and Rafil Haq. First from me, the impression and testimonials is with Mr. Dai. Besides learning and discussing about learning materials, we also learned a lot about self-reflection. specifically about reality and self-consciousness. I really learned a lot about reality from Mr. Dai because the students often been asked by him about the reality of a specific chapter. That way, we are thinking hard of what is a reality in every aspect. Maybe Rafael can uh, testify.
First thing first, my first impression of this class is I think this class do not only talk about learning, but also uh, not only talk about learning of numerical method, but we also learn about how to live a life. Like what always Mr. Dai said, like every time we want to do something, we have to conscious. Why we have to do conscious? Because if we are conscious, so that we will freely to do that without any pressure. And also Mr. Dai always taught us about how to be tough, how to be people that this kind of nation that we need. And also what I most impressed about Mr. Dai is he have his own like social media. For me, I think there is a really like some things to improve, but overall, I think the CCIT is already good as a social media, and I kinda enjoyed it using that. And I think all of my friends already know that CCIT is a good social media for us for learning and for like just chatting with my friend or making a video. I think it's a good social media.
Next, there is a quote by Nikola Tesla. The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in one decade than in all the previous centuries of our existence. Uh, Maybe Rafael can explain the meaning of this quote.
So what I think is science is making us really like making a human to learn faster, to learn about this world. Like if there is no science, I think we kind of slow for learning about this maybe this earth or sky. But science really help us to development ourselves, development our country, development our earth, and also making it easier to live at that at this world.
So that is all from us, from me, Vito, and Rafael, my friend. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.